So Winston left me this recipe book, right? I was wondering if you could help me make something for him.
I do some rice and peas and chicken. But guess what? I'm not gonna do it. And you are gonna do it. I just have to show you the steps then.
You cook. This is worthy of documentation.
Good evening, Damon inside?
No, they run at the studio.
Alright, thanks.
So hold on there. You're artist?
Yeah, why?
Your face look familiar.
You too.
Don't realize with you? You don't know how to talk to people. Look who is talking. Remember I hear her mouth? Why Shappy put you out, you know? I don't have to tell you why Didi just have cheap party. Hey, Mr. Soundboy. You not gonna talk, cause you're the lonely bird now. You're up in everybody's business, and you're in the Kool-Aid, and you don't know the business. Lower. Go on, lady. Go on, few things now. Go on and come out of my house. Go on, 5, 4.5, go on.
You see, the injection that I gave to you, only I have the antidote to it. And you're going to need it every 3 days.
Sharon, you talk to Derek. Yo, brother. What's your style? Nah, man, not like that, man. You have a little thing on the end, man. You are going on, why you move it for me, see? 1.1, man. That's supposed to small for you. I just two of my G them, man. You know, say from me, a good product. Yeah, man, just shout me when you get the contact, man. Shout them right and want them smile. You see it? Code is life, man. Ah, brother. How are you making breakfast?
Food when it's done.
What you want for drink?
Did you really gonna ask someone for drinking and know my drinks already?
No.
Watch out. You don't remember me neither?
A Debbie? Debbie? We're gonna have like a portfolio and so with the properties that we're gonna have for sale. Yeah, but it's a virtual one because most of what we're gonna do are gonna be online. Really good. After my day, I said I'm gonna buy up my suit, then my master match my suit and so on. Act out. Here there. Yeah.
Why you gotta do something like that? Why?
Why? Hey, Charmaine. What? You catch it? So you take a test? Lord of His mercy. So that are 2 weeks. Why? I'm sorry for you still. Just go and take care of yourself and know what you do. Alright. Keep me posted, yeah? Alright. Shoppy,
Yeah.
I'm gonna need some crackers,
What's on it?
cream crackers, bun, Shirley biscuit.
No rough
And-
top there.
Yeah man, we have enough rough tops. And I'm gonna need some white bread. Shoppy, go around my house, you know. I have something for deal with. I beg you 5 minutes. Soon forward.
Take 10 minutes.
Brother, 1 tea and a 5 something there. Easy yourself, man. Yeah, if the juice truck forward, just make them know so we have enough juice. See? The soon come.
Hey, baby, your breakfast is ready. I put it on the stove, alright?
Alright.
By the way, where's Charmaine?
Charmaine, I got you to do it, you know.
Oh, Charmaine!
Where you say, Sandra?
Alright, so I left breakfast for you, alright? I put it in the microwave.
Breakfast. Alright, Shoppy, I soon come. Shoppy! What's that going on?
Yeah, man. You have to.
There's some snack I come forget still.
Your boy done movie star.
Who that?
No must DB me at all. See the man a star up a music video that little brown in name Sassy.
Sasik. How she look? She small body like?
Little and neat. That cute face. Song bad too. Look like the J of luck with producing woman. Cause near your song go on with a bag of things for the radio too, you know.
Man, no, man. It's a follow-up. Me, I look to it, you know.
Yo, that have a forward, man. Just go and put in the work, you see me?
That me, I do.
Yeah, man. Right
Some more orange juice, you know.
Right now, me and baby supposed to link up on one track too, you know. I take on that music thing, a serious buddy.
You have to do what you have to do, you know. Kind of same time, yeah. You can't have talent and use it, and not use it.
Reasoning with seasoning.
Yeah, that me I say. So wait there. Oh, me just seen a Bigfoot.
Bigfoot run out, you know.
So tell me something. You baby want a fully movie now.
Really, you know. But that's a reason for another day, buddy.
Babe, I'm good and cheese there.
So, your friend, she good?
Oh, Bubbles.
Come on, man, you know say a 5 now.
You mean 4.5? Because that's so she a go on. You see if ungrateful as a person, and she that.
What you say? How are you really going?
The lady cuss off me and Bubbles properly for a new man.
A joke can't make goodie. Cause off you and auntie?
The woman said she can arrange for me get spit in my face. True, she claimed to send me a fast in her business.
April 1st gone already, you know, buddy.
You stay there. Call your auntie. She call her lonely bird over there how much she all up in her Kool-Aid and I know the flavor.
Yo, I can't believe what I hear.
Give me the cheese, you know, to go with the bun. That's the life you're shopping. We have to just expect the best from people and the worst at the same time.
Good you have to go cut your snack shot, yeah?
What?
Cheese, frazzle out.
So bun?
Yo, baby. You don't know, it's a long time I pray, you know. Yeah, Musa, man. I want to.
Your body good, your body clean. Me want to take you out of your tight chain. Your body good, your body clean.
From the first time I see, I know me I forget you. Me no care if you have another man I sweat you. Right on me dress so when me want to set you. Girl, you have the kitty cat so me want to pet you. If I even one time, your man nothing know where me and you are do. And if I even one wine, listen what me want you to do. Yeah, you are the jacket so me want you ride it. Body look good so you know fi hide it. Me done match it out so me a divide it. Hold on for me private. See me loving and me want you try it. You have the treasure so me have to find it. Tight like a glove but these are the right fit. Me don't know how you like it. It's a body. Bring your body to me. Let me love you, girl, love you.
So why are you looking at me like that? Come, me hear it now.
You know you've been a bit distant since that incident with your friends though.
I'm just thinking about some things.
You know it's not too late to apologize to them though.
Apologize? For what?
For overreacting. Just a little bit. You don't think so?
Kyle, me and a pitney. I'm not gonna make them continue for treatment like me I want.
So you don't think your approach is just a little bit too harsh? You don't think so?
Them lucky. You're the best thing that ever happened to me since Shappy put me out in place. I'm not gonna allow them to disrespect you.
Yeah, I really appreciate that still. Like, thank you, I really appreciate that. But hold on. So Goody call you the bride of Chucky. So what that meant me? Me a Chucky?
Must stop.
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Oh boy. So why would she refer to me as Chucky though?
I told her about the night when you grabbed me when you sleep.
But me explain what happened.
they explain after when I don't tell her already. So, and then again, them would even understand. And that's the next problem I have with them. Them hold on to things and them too judgmental.
I understand how you feel still. You know, I mean, I had a friend once who we were really close and they passed away. So that is why I said to you that, you know, friendship is so important and you have to try to hold on to it, because I've been there. You understand what I'm saying? And honestly, it's after them get killed, and I realize, say, yo, people have to treasure real friends.
Well, you're my best friend now. I'm gonna need nothing more.
Denise, you know, say you're stubborn, you know? Like, you're tough, you know?
Never I go somewhere.
Alright, cool.
Time Code Records. Time Code Records.
You took my job. You took my friends. You took my man. My entire livelihood. You took it from me. You're gonna have to repay me for all that you've done. Her name is Stephanie Clark. Dr. Stephanie Clark.
So hold on. That's the reason you want to set up this woman? Because she took your man?
Carlton, why do you want to get back at the people that messed you up?
That's different. Look, them shot me. Them try kill me.
Well, it felt like she killed me. She took my man, my income, everything from me. Look, remember, you scratch my back and I will scratch yours. You want the antidote, don't you?
Let me see the picture again.
Carlton, see you in 2 days.
So you get involved?
My girl, I'm not call for argue with you, you know. But just curious as to why you behave the way you behave.
That no concern you? You're not quite alright with your baby mother, sir?
Don't stray from the point, 5. Yeah, this the people I'm gonna check for you the most, you see me? You need to understand yourself.
Oh, so you them send for make me know myself?
So a new relationship make you behave, so. Eh? And I this up the people. Look how auntie check for you and deal like a sister. Eh? Good to put you up in your time and need. And you feel like say, this is the way for repair them, eh? By being ungrateful.
Winston, you see if you know I'm a disrespect you, don't call me ungrateful. Better yet, tell your auntie and your friend to have a stop call me name. And you, don't call back my phone.
Serious? Sorry.
Come.
Dr. Stephanie Clark.
Hello.
Graceful's got the taste that moves you. Yard and abroad it moves you. Graceful's. Anytime it taste any Grace products, me and my friend them a fi bust dance moves. I fi run to the pot when me granny a boil soup. Grace food products in that make it go down smooth. The taste that moves you. Feel the vibes anytime when the day Grace food span the ends. Yeah, the taste that moves you. From the spices move you. Everybody shout out Grace.
When the food sweet, we dance. When the vibe nice, we love. The taste that moves you. Grace bringing the food you love. When the food sweet, we dance. When the vibe nice, we love. The taste that proves you. Grace bringing the food you love.
Hi, my name is Suan Holness, Events and Marketing Manager here at the Gulfview Hotel, one of the sponsors of the Bartender series. So if you're ever in Mandeville, you're hosting an event, you just want to relax with your family, and if you want to shoot a film, this is a place to be. Gulfview Hotel Mandeville in the heart of Jamaica, from the heart of Jamaica.
Okay, well that's smart, yeah. There you go. And the why?
I met my father for the first time when I was 28.
By the way, Winston, you never tell me how you like the breakfast this morning. Winston, what's wrong?
So get to me now. You can at least video call my son, let me see him, you know. Me youth could be 7 this year, you know. And I probably about 4 times I see him, you know.
Winston, why are you so random? I don't even like how that sounds, you know. You make it sound as if I'm hiding something from you.
Yeah, I hide something. Why I get so defensive? I want me enough to ask.
You'll see Akeem soon enough,
Yeah,
alright?
sir. Video call him. Let me see him.
Winston, I said that when...
Video call your mother now.
But Winston, like...
What am I say?
Hey mom, can I speak to Akeem please?
Speak to who? Sandra, where the hell are you? Because that doesn't look like your background.
Mom, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that right now. I'll explain that later. But I need to speak to my son. His father wants to talk to him.
Okay. Akeem, come here, darling.
Man, I tell you.
Okay, so you two were rivals in med school.
Right.
That explains it.
Her style of medicine is very unorthodox.
Indeed.
So what exactly did she do?
Well, she... How do I say this? Well, she injected me with something and I couldn't move, couldn't talk. I could see and hear everything, but that's it.
Well, it could be one of a few non-depolarizing blocking agents. But those things are used in preparation for a major surgery. Were you going to do a surgery, Mr. I didn't get your name.
Oh, it's Reynolds. Andrew Reynolds.
Okay, Mr. Reynolds?
No.
That woman. Let me tell you something. And this is just between us. I'm not sure what connections you have with her or who she is to you, but she has been blacklisted from every major hospital because she killed a patient. So where did you meet her?
She has a private practice.
I see. Well, Mr. Reynolds, please be careful.
And Dr. Clark, thank you very much.
Science!
You sure about this?
Listen, it's just my father. Alright?
So you go in front of your father look like this?
Listen, him send an urgent message and you know could stop for what changes.
Oh! So the new way I'm recording this now. Now over there to the mic there. Alright, your match you come for DJ pan.
Here, yeah.
Oh, you stammer now?
How could I cast this?
You see, because I don't know where you live, I'm not even gonna address you.
We can't deal with this outside.
No. Alright, Tessa, I want to deal with it. What are you an Hollywood star? You know fear music video? I act? Are you never in a mind?
Someone have never tell me about a music video. And me and Sassy no close together in a video.
It no matter. In the video, I play our man. I miss Bullbuck. I act him a act. It never real. So I'm gonna play your father, or your uncle, or your brother, or your far cousin.
Someone is really a video going over.
I come around to find out something. And when I come, the way I see the two of you, it's like when I want to start part 2. So what, she Lenny ain't no sugar give you. Boy, awake. Me have pressure pill in the house when you want to. Me just want to know when the two of you get so close. Cause she come for your produce song. Now you're starring a music video. What's coming next?
And yes, we are giving a friend from we have a primary school. So we are going so far.
You see me in a uniform? No, you left school long time. Cause I was a fucking done primary school long time. I college in there now.
Awesome, me come out. Damian, move this. Move this.
No, you come move me.
No, you move me. Yo, this is a peaceful life. Me I have a deal. Just go on. Me I have a
you know what? When I come from out here, so come now I have to sanitize up, man.
Come sanitize me now? Because if you have COVID, you have the vaccine.
So you never hear all who check the vaccine, still catch COVID.
Who was ever wearing the Damian? I want to like your head.
You're going like how you alone, you want him to produce.
Come on, yeah, I mean you want him to produce, come on, man. Oh, sure. But now relax. Let me tell you something. I want one clown out left in my ear. One. I mean, I want more woman artists come on here. And it's a gospel song that I come sing.
What do you mean by? What do you mean no woman artist can't come here? Someone that we are talking about?
Daddy?
Denise, your father is a
Shh. Don't ever dare say that. My father is a spiritual
advisor. Mildred, turn off the stove.
Evening, Daddy.
This apparent evening is good for you. I call you up here today, not because I want to join you in holy matrimony. It's because I want to talk to you. I will talk to you in a while, Hulk. Denise Ferguson.
Yes, Daddy.
You have strayed from the paths that I've taught you. And I realize in your life, there's a time to have a slim man and a time to have a thick one. A time to dress properly and a time to dress naked.
Pain. Not even know how me and I step the right to so agree.
Me helping, don't worry yourself. You like your place?
But the place is nice when I first like it.
Wow.
A TV this?
Look at looking at that you. Wow.
alone, I go sleep on the bed, right?
So which one me I go sleep?
Right, it's a good
You like it?
Yeah, man, sis, this is nice. This is really, really nice.
You just never want you go straight back to the house. You know, me just didn't want to come and enjoy the weekend and just breeze out.
I understand that, but I will get money to do this.
You know, so you know you're gonna ask me that. Listen to me. Nobody worry yourself about that. Girl, you could just enjoy the weekend.
I hope you don't weed selling and going back in there. Come on, why you have to do that, sis?
Chanel, I tell you, say no worry about that. Me no come here so for we go back and forth or toe to toe or no bag of argument. I can't bother with that. You just a come out of the hospital, yo. I swear. Just make you come and enjoy the weekend now, please.
Alright. I will enjoy
Watch me
myself. Because the bed with me alone I go sleep on look nice. I'm bathroom big like Noah's Ark. I will enjoy myself.
Yeah.
I wish I could put the pill in now. Can't really even take my medication. Oh,
we put it in the suitcase. You can look fit. Hello.
Everything happened to you in recent time. I see it. I say I see it. Don't think I don't see it. But I chose to keep silent. Because I realize that you're a grown woman and you need to chart your own path. I say your own path. Which part? Young lady, you're going down a slippery slope. Good friends better than pocket money. Don't give away the all for the new. Thriller. This is Thriller. Them of us saying that anything when a darkness must come to light. Young man, I sense challenges, but I'd suggest you light a candle, sing a song, and find your way back home. Now as for the town, be careful. Be very careful. There is someone out there seeking to hurt you, seeking for your demise. That which is broken, I suggest you go fix it, and fix it fast. This is the last time that I will be speaking to you, Denise Ferguson, like a spiritual advisor, even though I'm your father. Understand that you are now a big woman, so you must do your own thing. Anything that the spiritual ancestral fathers want to show me regarding you, me I go ask them to show you themselves via your own. You, sir, Mr. Tickers, I'm asking you to keep your hands to yourself. Be careful of raising them, because they will go up and can't come down. I will make you walk and bray like a donkey if you're not careful. She not tell you about me? Mildred! Turn on back the stove. Hungry kill me.
Dog, when me reach round there is a youth when me know good and him know see your side me come from. Me did that fuck out. Brother, listen to me, you know. Me not care what you want to say, you know. Me not no reason for tell no lie, you know. Yo, it too risky, dog. Oh, what? Me no want the round and him just pop up again. Then brother pay me, they go pay for deal with my thing. Yeah. Are you for just link me and make me know? So here what me call you back here? Alright.
Janelle, who you that talk to?
Brownie, I want my friend me to talk to. I want me.
If there's anything I know about you is that anytime you step up and talk to somebody, I'm more than friendship. So tell me what you're up to.
What did you think, Brownie? What did you really think? You really feel like say, if you ever go so? I want you to answer me. Knowing how me stay, you did really feel like if you ever go so, Brownie?
What was your plan for cover? Are you even good at them? Tell you. Suppose me tell you say, the stop me get, and you cause it. Don't turn your head. Think about it logically. Me do something to help the two of we. But you just stubborn, you never want to hear my explanation. And you being a stubborn person where you is, you take things in your own hand and look which part it end up. You know what things will miss out because I stab ya? So nobody turn your head, still and listen to me. For the first in your life, listen to me. I don't want you go after none of them. Carlton was a menace in our life. And we just have to get rid of him.
What do you mean?
You hear what I say? No go after none of them.
You know, you say you should have tell me say your father is a spiritual healer. You couldn't give me like a heads up, tell me something to at least alert me.
What is there to tell? I don't think it was necessary.
The man is not a farmer, he's not a policeman, he's not a construction worker. The man is a spiritual healer, a different ballgame. You don't think you could have at least some way somehow do something?
Is there anything that I need to know?
They say you're gone now. Question don't answer question.
But me I ask you, is there anything that I need to know?
The reality of it is, you don't answer my question all knowing and you're gonna answer me.
So if I answer your question, you're going to answer mine?
But the man really like a book. The man talk about I'll be like donkey and I never hear about him. How me hear about him, I don't know about them, I don't know what them something here. You know that person?
So may I return the call? Yeah man, I just go do me hair and then I go down to my uncle go cool out. Hey, don't call her name to me, you know. I don't want to hear nothing about 5. But delete she long time out of my phone. What you mean? Go to here, one. We will talk later. Cool. She'll come tell me no.